In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a transcript of a Vimeo video, a skill that's incredibly useful for those looking to follow along, review details, or simply get a deeper understanding of the content. To get started, make sure you head over to Vimeo's website at vimeo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This is the first crucial step, as logging in ensures that you have access to all features available for your account, including transcript options. As you're watching your video of choice on Vimeo, I want you to keep an eye out for a particular feature that many find invaluable, the transcript button. Typically, you'll find this button situated just below the video player. It's not immediately obvious for all videos, so you might have to look closely. If you spot it, you're in luck, just click it. Once you've clicked the transcript button, you'll see that a transcript will magically appear on the right hand side of the video. This transcript is synchronized with the video, meaning that the text will highlight and follow along as the video plays. This feature is especially helpful if you're multitasking or if you simply have a hard time catching every word said in the video. Watching the text highlight in real time can significantly enhance your comprehension and retention of the material. Now, if you're looking to locate specific information within the transcript, you're in for another treat. Vimeo provides a handy search icon within the transcript feature. Click on that search icon and you can type in any specific word or phrase you're interested in. This ability to search is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone trying to quickly find a particular point in a lecture or presentation. Another great aspect of Vimeo's transcript functionality is that it offers customization options. To adjust, look for the menu icon, which will allow you to change the language settings or even toggle timestamps on and off. These settings can be incredibly helpful if you're working in a multilingual environment or if you simply need to reference specific times during the video for later review. It's important to note, however, that sometimes you'll find a video that doesn't have a transcript available. If this happens, it generally means that the transcript feature wasn't enabled by the video's owner. Unfortunately, if the creator hasn't added this functionality, there might not be much you can do through Vimeo itself. To wrap things up, you now know how to navigate Vimeo's transcript feature efficiently. From finding the transcript button to customizing your settings, these steps can help you maximize your video learning and review experience. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to access video transcripts and enhances your overall viewing experience on Vimeo. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.